Hey Bay East Brokers, I'm David Stark and welcome to the Story Behind the Numbers, a video series from Bay East exclusively for our broker members to share insights on market trends. What's the story this month? Prices. More specifically, even as inventory and sales volume are dropping, prices continue to increase. A quick scan of the list price to sales price ratio during August shows that homes are consistently selling from 3 to 10% more than asking prices. There are a few plot lines here. First, sellers may be pricing at or even slightly below the market. We've certainly heard about price adjustments during the last few months, and that could be a big factor here. Homes are selling above asking because the asking price may be in a range that's now allowing buyers to drive up the final sales price. And this isn't just an East Bay thing. According to CAR, more than half of the homes sold statewide during the last few months sold for more than the asking price. The other story is more fundamental. While we aren't seeing double-digit year-to-year price increases, the fact that prices do continue to rise, even at a modest rate, says that homeownership is still desirable in East Bay and buyers are willing to pay. That's the story behind the numbers this month. Please let us know if this video works or if there's a story behind the numbers you want us to look into. You can reach me directly at davids@bayeast.org. Thanks.